okay, 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 okay. Ooh, this out, ooh, ass this out, ooh, ooh, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Ooh, this out, ooh, ass this out, ooh, ooh, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it.
She don't see us? You see me?
Yeah. Yes, I see you. You see me?
Hell yeah, I see you. Both of us sitting here looking like two big Barneys. We see each other.
I'm gonna play on the safe side so I don't get hurt.
This delusion in our heads is gonna bring us to our knees. So come on, let it go.
I'm just trying to hit it by the end of the night. Lil' mama's so bad and my booty's so
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
I think Ushi has O's.
Oh my god.
Hi. Oh my god, what the fuck?
He's like, who are you? Oh.
Did you see that? He rubbed up against
Done.
him. Oh my god.
I'm done.
I can't believe that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Does your dog have normal eyes, or does your dog have strangely human eyes that make you think he's trapped the soul of a human person inside of his body and you need to get him out or else something terrible will happen?
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kinda crazy.
How my dog greets me. Hi, Mom. Look at my butt. Here's my butt. Do you see it, Mom? Here it is. Here's my butt. Do you see it? I'm showing you my butt.
Well, I need to clean up over myself. I just cried the whole time.
Put this sound over the most recent video of your dog.
That's some bullshit.
Tucker, I love you. I love you too. Come. Good boy. Do you want to play? Can you touch play? Good boy. Okay, get your toy. Go get it.
I think my groomer gave me the wrong dog.
I gotta have a spot for my snoot. I gotta have a spot for my snoot. Spot for my snoot.
Oh, you think so? Can you say I'm a hellhound? Okay. All right.
Are you trying to romance me?
Yeah.
It's working.
Well, this wasn't part of my plan.
Hey man, I'm gonna eat you.
My family thought I needed a new brother, so they got this annoying piece of shit who doesn't leave me alone. He just bites my ears and jumps on me all day. Why would they think I wanted a brother after 8 years? I was fucking fine by myself.
Hey, I'll put this air deflector on my vent to keep this sweet plant from getting too cold. Fuck that plant, I hate that child, I hate.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as.
It just occurred to me that I might be a bit much. Like, I think maybe if I met myself, if I met me, I think I might be like, yeah, he was nice, but he's a bit.
Here comes the boy.
Show me your dog as a puppy versus now.